What is up guys, Stan this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in Google Classroom with your student email ID. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Google Classroom. After typing, you will see this first official website of Google Classroom, or you can also go to this website of Google Classroom. Both the websites are same, but I'd recommend to go with this website with saying that Google for Education. After clicking on this website, just simply click on Sign into Classroom. And after that, if you already have previously signed in to Google Classroom with your account, you will be directly signed in, or if you are new, you just need to sign up with your student email and your password. Now, after coming here on the right side, as you can see, I have entered my student email. And after that, in the home section, you will see the classes that your teacher have added you in, and if you want to join any one of those classes, just simply click on those classes and then you can join in. And if you don't have any classes to show here on the home screen, you can create your own class or you can join the class. When you click on join class, you need to enter the class code. After writing the class code, you can just simply click on join, and after that you will be able to access the classroom, and this is how you can log into Google Classroom with your student email ID. And that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.